Hello, so this is going to be a very perfect, very beautiful international travel vlog. So stay tuned for what's gonna happen ahead. आणि आता मी एअरपोर्टला जायला निघाले गाडीतून आणि बाबा आणि मम्मा. सो एअरपोर्टला आता आम्हाला बाकीचे फ्रेंड्स आणि टीचर्स पण भेटते. सब भिरांगी
Sup?
ब्रो. हाय मनस्वी.
I'm currently setting up, so please don't record.
Really?
Paparazzi.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
professional like that.
Oh my
Sure.
God. Are you?
भगवान आपका भला करे.
About your opinion.
Oh.
मेरे पास अभी कॉइन्स नहीं है, मैं ना दे देती आपको. Hi, what's up, girls? Girls. Yeah. So how do you feel? Are you scared?
Very scared, nervous. सब कुछ.
Excited? We are at the Mumbai airport and this is Arohi. And I'm shit scared. I've never traveled before by myself internationally.
Very excited to be
Yeah.
with my students. We are on our way now.
Sir,
काय बोलू?
काही पण
Happy
बोला.
journey for everyone.
Happy journey to everyone.
We are gehen nach Deutschland.
Fliegen nach Deutschland.
Yeah. So we are still waiting for immigration.
गर्मी होती है.
We're sleepy and hungry. Desperate
वीडियो चालू है.
Yeah. Desperate need of caffeine. Yeah. So would you like to say something?
Subscribe to Vaidehi's channel.
Yeah. खरी friend.
Subscribe to my channel. भैया ऑलरेडी अच्छा आहे. बडेगा
बडेगा डन. एक ना सवय कधीच सुटणार नाही. दॅट इज मॅकडॉनल्ड्स खायची. आम्ही आलो इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टला अँड स्टील वी आर इटिंग मॅकडॉनल्ड्स बट समवन मिसिंग इज खुशी, रेया, कृषा, तनिष्का. आय मिस यू ऑल सो मच. मॅकडी बघून मला तुमची आठवण येते आणि इकडे टेबल्स पण आहेत. सो मिस यू ऑल. वी डन ईटिंग. नाव विल गो कॅच अ फ्लाइट. So we have Sanvi, Bhumi. Okay, yeah, we are very sleepy. Coffee is the only survival what? Coffee is the only way to survive right now. Yeah, nothing else will help us. कारण का अभी आम्हाला इतकी आता झोपेची गरज आहे. I would sleep right here in McDonald's, but we have to catch a flight. So आम्हाला वाटलं की आम्ही चुकीच्या गेटवर जाणार, बट नाही, आम्ही बरोबर ठिकाणी आलो. So we'll board our plane soon. How do you feel?
Hi guys, I'm back in Vaidehi's videos.
I am new to Vaidehi's videos.
Yeah, so she is Gargi Sawant, an amazing dancer.
She said you're an amazing dancer.
Yeah.
And she is an amazing singer.
Oh, thank you.
Best voice. Angelic voice.
Okay, I'm
so
shy.
let's give like heads up. आम्ही कुठे जाणार आहोत आता. So now we have a flight to Warsaw. पुढे सांगा.
So we have a flight to Warsaw and then we have an 8 hours long layover. So we're gonna go for a city tour.
Yeah. And we're gonna sit at the back because I want to sleep.
Exactly.
That's all.
Yeah. So we finally boarded the flight and we are very excited and also very tired, sleep deprived. कारण का आम्ही जे कालच्या दिवशी आम्ही जे उठलो त्यानंतर मी तर झोपलेच नाही आहे. सो आय एम लाईक व्हेरी टायर्ड आणि आय एट ॲट मॅकडॉनल्ड्स. सो आय एम फुल रेडी टू गो टू बेड. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द टेक ऑफ अँड देन आय स्लीप. सो वी गॉट अवर ब्रेकफास्ट अँड आय वॉज ऑलरेडी व्हेरी हंग्री. So here's all that we got. Shravani, are you hungry? But I'm still sleepy. I खूप कमी झोपले. I want to eat, but I'm also very sleepy. But this is all that we're gonna have. It looks amazing. I swear to God, it looks really good. But I don't think I can eat it all. about it. It's I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like pav. And then
Salad.
you have cheese. What is cheese? You have cheese. One slice of cucumber and olive. No, olive. One slice.
Parent.
And
I don't
Loki
have that.
disappointed, but no.
What is this?
And then we have one more thing.
Oh, there.
I'm very excited for this. If this is
Why?
I might actually start crying right now.
I'm scared.
Yeah, this is rice. Okay, never mind, not bad. Okay, I can have it. So yes. So the service is amazing. Like the food is dope compared to what I've eaten in airplane, but like this is really decent for an airplane meal. And the service is also amazing. The staff is very kind and helpful. Shravani pav khati hai.
Just how?
The pav khati hai. But yeah, it's good. I recommend LOT Polish. It's good. 9 out of 10. Shravani, how much would you rate this meal?
Because of this, it's the worst thing on the menu.
Not the worst thing,
Yeah.
but it's not
On
suitable for
this-
Indian palate.
Maybe
It could have been more
7
spicy. Well, like, yeah, 9 out of 10 because I love pasta salads. But you have to clarify that you want normal water, they give me sparkling water. Soda dilay mala, but it's alright. It's amazing, not bad. Chill. It's like low-key slay, not very slay, but mid-slay. Mid-slay, but slay. Hello, so this is me after many hours in the plane. Mazil मला माहिती नाही when we'll land, but we'll go through it.
I was forced.
आता मी कॉफी पिते कारण का मला माहिती आहे की नंतर असं डोकं दुखणार. सो आधीच मी असं कॉफी वगैरे पण तयारी करून घेते.
Very good.
सो आम्हाला अजून पोचायला 1 तास 18 मिनटं आहेत आणि वी डोंट हॅव एनी पेशन्स राईट नाव कारण का आम्ही इतका वेळ बसून होतो बट ॲटलिस्ट आम्हाला पाठी जिकडे केबिन क्रू आहे तिकडे आम्हाला उभे राहून गप्पा वगैरे मारता आल्या सो वी आर लाईक व्हेरी हॅपी अबाउट दॅट आय हॅड माय कॉफी सो आय फील अ लॉट बेटर आय फील अलाइव्ह अगेन सो आता इन लाईक अन आवर विल रीच वॉर्सर वी लँडेड आम्ही नाही आपण नाही चालू ना म्हणजे आम्हाला लँड करा
आम्ही लँड झालो.
झालं आणि कमेंट्स
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Chennai Airport.
सो आम्ही लँड झालो आम्ही बाहेर आलो आणि आदित्य आम्हाला सांगतो की हाव बॅड द लँडिंग वॉज आणि नो हाव बॅड द पायलट वॉज आदित्य यू वांट टू से समथिंग
सो आई जस्ट से दैट वो जो लैंडिंग मेथड थी वो बहुत ही घटिया थी हालत ख़राब हो गई
ओके सॉरी फॉर दॅट बट इट इज वॉट इट इज पीपल मनस्वी अगेन आणि आम्ही आता पोचलोय पोलंडला आपण आता काय करणार आहोत टेक ओव्हर द व्लॉग
Yeah. Oh, okay.
ओके
Okay. I don't know why. So, I'm looking for a Polish flag so that I can be Ra Poland mentioned. Yeah, I really want to do that. This is not the best way to hold a phone, but I guess if it works,
why not
yeah, why not? So I guess unless you all want to talk to the customs officer, I'm gonna end the recording here.
Hello, welcome to my his vlog.
आम्ही आता सिटी टूरला चाललोय
Yes, and that the one who's going to show us around, she's very pretty.
शी इज व्हेरी प्रिटी
She
हर
has
नेम
this,
इज हानिया
yeah, she has this pink cheeks. Yeah, Anything else you want to say?
मी
And
2
look
बॅगा आणल्या. So it's quite heavy. But
Car
never
key?
mind. I can just keep that in my in our bus. not
Yes.
my bus, in our bus.
You want to say something?
The weather is very nice.
हाँ वाह काय बोलली आहे?
Kal, I was freaking out, but now I'm enjoying so much. I'm so glad I took this trip with these amazing people.
Yeah, we are amazing people. So I'll tell you what happened on the flight. It was like 8 hours. हाँ 8 hours ची फ्लाईट होती अँड मी 2दा झोपली 2दा उठली 2दा पूर्ण मूवी संपवले. अँड यू?
मी पण 2दा झोपले आणि मी 2दा खाल्लं
and
कप ऑफ
आणि महाराणी प्लेन लँड केल्यावर एकटीच क्लॅप करत बसली आहे.
नाही मी नव्हती क्लॅप करत. माझ्या माठीची एअर हॉस्टेस होती ना, ती क्लॅप करत होती. मी का क्लॅप करेन ब्रो, ती एअर हॉस्टेस. सो आम्ही आता मर्सिडीजच्या बसमध्ये बसून जातोय. दॅट इज सो प्रिटी. आपण मर्सिडीजच्या बसमध्ये बसून जातोय. No, like genuinely it is so pretty.
And also about cultural things that might surprise you, I'm not sure, but we actually have
We are in the Poland old town and it is so pretty. When it came,
Insanely cold.
yeah, ते बघून आम्हाला वाटत नव्हतं की इतकं गार असेल, बट गार आहे आणि इट इज प्लेझंट, वेरेबल. इट्स व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल. लव्ह इट. Very pretty it is. This is so new and so amazing. I love it. It's very beautiful. I'm so glad. Like literally so pretty this is.
On the red background, this is the national emblem of Poland. So these are like eagles from different historical periods, but basically the symbol of the country. But you have also the strange creatures here. Sometimes with the legs.
मैं ट्राई करूँ.
Bhangri, and the only thing that I had right now is this thepla. So इथे असे सॉक्स आहेत सेल करायला आणि दिस इज पिकल्स. दिस लुक्स लाईक करंजी. आय डोंट नो व्हाय बट दिस इज सो क्यूट. थंडी खूप जास्त वाढली आहे
आणि आम्ही पण खूप गोरे झाले त्या थंडीमुळे आणि आमचे नाक लाल लाल झाले.
माझं नाही झालं अजून. की झालं?
आहे बघा माझी बोटे पण लाल झाली.
Oh my goodness. Damn. This feels as if I'm in some movie or Netflix documentary.
Brother just wore a skin.
Yeah.
Brother is wearing a skin, bro.
Legit. Her skin looks so good, no? Yeah.
Sun is doing favors.
This is so pretty, right?
It's very nice, very pleasant and windy, and I'm loving it. I love the city. Beautiful.
Yeah, I would love to visit here again.
Yes.
We are showing today exercises because on the 13th of May it's International Day of Falun Dafa, 13th of May. And also we want to tell about persecution in China because the Chinese Communist Party, it persecutes people, practitioners of Falun Gong, because it was too many of them. So it started persecution and they lasted more than 20 years already. And Chinese Communist Party also kills people for their organs. So it uses Falun Gong practitioners and other prisoners of conscience, for example, Uyghurs, Tibetans, Christians, and unfortunately it kills people for their organs. So we are gathering signatures under the petition, and we invite you also to sign this petition to stop persecution in China.
Thank you so much. So I met this lady who told me about the Chinese protest that is going on. आदित्य, पहाड़ों के ऊपर जंगलों के पार नंजा हथौड़ी शहर आया यार, नंजा हथौड़ी शहर आया यार. पुढचा विसरले.
हथौड़ी हथौड़ी है ये सबका यार, उसके आगे का मुझे नहीं पता.
Never mind. So this is how Goat Tailor childhood was. I don't know why, but I feel as if, you know, this is a Bollywood plot line where the female protagonist moves to some other country after facing something terrible in her life, and now she's gonna romanticize her life until that one shitty person walks in. We really need coffee now. Manasvi?
Yeah, I need coffee.
Yeah, we need coffee or anything at this point. Even hot chocolate would work. Well, this is Shivani looking pretty as well. So we are going to see this very pretty garden. And then there's this very pretty Bhumi.
No, this is more pretty.
No, this is prettiest. She is the prettiest.
No, she is the
She
most
is the prettiest. Okay. This feels like Mahabeshwar, but no, it's not. This is very pretty. This is a palace where the last king used to live. And then there's this very pretty flowers again. So इकडे खूप सुंदर फुलं आहेत. खूप सुंदर आहे. आय स्वेअर टू गॉड इकडे ना असं नुसतं येऊन आलं ना. ओके खूप छान आहे. आमचं गार्डन बघून झालंय आणि आता आम्ही थांबलोय स्मित यायला, कारण का तो वॉशरूमला गेला आणि तो येतच नाही.
टाइमपास करतात लोक.
आणि मग आम्ही एअरपोर्टसाठी निघणार आणि मग मला एअरपोर्टवरून किती वेळ थांबायचं एअरपोर्टला? 2 तास.
बट रात्री 10 वाजता समथिंग पोहोचणार तिथे.
सो आता आम्ही इथून निघालोय. आता आम्ही जाऊ आमच्या बसमध्ये. सो सी यू इन बस. दिस ऑफ द कोल्ड. We are heading towards the airport, and Poland, you are incredibly beautiful. You are amazing. You gave us so many pictures, good memories, and we had a lot of fun. So now we'll head towards the airport because we have a boarding around 7:35. We're finally in the bus now.
I know you can't hear the music, but there is slight music. And I'm hopeful that I'm सगळे शांत बसले.
Legit.
Don't want to be the loudest. Tend to be the loudest one.
So finally we are at the airport and we'll go board our plane in some time. We finally boarded the flight to Düsseldorf, and this vlog ends right here. So
Jesteśmy tutaj, aby zapewnić Państwu miłą i wygodną podróż.
bye.
Jednak bezpiecznie.